Welcome to Module 3.2, Handling User Input and Events. In React, handling user input and events is a fundamental aspect of building interactive and responsive applications. This module focuses on how to capture user input, respond to events, and update the state of React components accordingly. 1. Understanding user events. User events in React encompass a wide range of interactions, including mouse clicks, keyboard presses, form submissions, and more. Handling these events enables your application to respond to user actions. 2. Event handling in React. In React, event handling is straightforward. You can attach event handlers to specific JSX elements by using attributes like onClick, onChange, and onSubmit. For instance, to handle a button click event, function myComponent, const handle click equals greater than handle the click event, return button onClick equals handle click me button. In this example, the handle click function is called when the button is clicked. 3. Accessing event objects. When an event handler is triggered, React provides an event object that contains information about the event, such as the target element, event type, and more. You can access this event object as an argument to your event handler function. Function headline punchange event, const value equals event.target.value, use the value. 4. Updating state with events. A common use case for event handling in React is updating the state of a component in response to user interactions. For example, to update a counter when a button is clicked, function counter, const count, set count equals useState 0, const handle increment equals set count plus 1, return, div, p count p, button onClick equals handle increment button, div. In this example, the handle increment function is called when the button is clicked. Updating the component state. 5. Form handling. Form handling is a common scenario in React applications. You can capture form input and manage form submissions by attaching event handlers to form elements. For example, to handle a form submission, function myForm, const handle submit equals event equals greater than event.prevent default. Prevent the default form submission. Handle the form data, return. Form onSubmit equals handle submit greater than. Input type equals text per. Button type equals submit. Form. In this example, the handle submit function is called when the form is submitted, and the default form submission is prevented using event, preventfo. 6. Best practices. When handling user input and events in React, it's essential to follow best practices to maintain clean and maintainable code. This includes organizing event handlers, optimizing performance, and structuring your component logic efficiently. Handling user input and events is a fundamental skill in React development. It allows your application to respond to user interactions, making it interactive and dynamic. Whether you're building forms, interactive components, or handling complex event scenarios, understanding event handling is a core aspect of React development.